Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and René Malborgne. Stop fighting for scraps. Create your own market. The challenge: most people believe business success means out-competing rivals. They think the answer is to analyze competitors, cut costs, or innovate incrementally within existing markets, fighting tooth and nail for every customer. But Kim and Malborgne discovered something different: the insight. Through extensive research across 150 industries spanning 100 years, Kim and Malborgne found that true breakthrough success rarely comes from competing in red oceans, existing, crowded markets where companies battle for shrinking profits. Instead, it comes from creating blue oceans, new, uncontested market spaces that make the competition irrelevant. A prime example from the book is Cirque du Soleil. In a declining circus industry, instead of trying to outdo Ringling Bros with more animal acts or star clowns, Cirque du Soleil eliminated animals, reduced star performers, and instead merged elements of theater and ballet with sophisticated music. They appealed to an entirely new audience of adults and corporate clients willing to pay a premium for artistic entertainment, not just children. They did not compete. They created. Here is what this means for your business. 1. Do not benchmark against competitors. Look for non-customers and adjacent industries. 2. Identify which factors your industry competes on that can be eliminated or reduced, drastically cutting costs. 3. Discover which factors can be raised or created to deliver unprecedented value, opening new demand. 4. Focus on value innovation, aligning utility, price, and cost positions to create new market space, real-world results. Companies applying this principle dramatic increases in revenue and profit by tapping into new demand, escape from intense price competition and margin erosion, sustainable competitive advantage by creating a loyal following in their unique market. Marketing lesson. The key is not just understanding this principle. It is strategically shifting your focus from existing customers and rivals to non-customers and uncontested spaces. That is why Southwest Airlines did not compete with traditional airlines. They targeted bus and car travelers with low-cost, point-to-point air travel, creating a massive new market segment. Jets did not compete with commercial airlines. They created the fractional jet ownership market, appealing to businesses and high-net-worth individuals who valued convenience and flexibility over outright ownership. We did not compete on graphics or processing power with PlayStation or Xbox. It created a new market for motion-controlled gaming that appealed to casual gamers, families, and even seniors, vastly expanding the gaming audience. For a must-see business opportunity, click the link in the bio or scan the QR code. And thanks for listening today. See you tomorrow.